Hai Chal is the first song that was out, and there are 4 songs in the film. Four, right? Four songs. There's Jeete Hai Chal. There's Aankhein Milayengi Dar Se, which is right now my personal favorite. Then there's the mother song. What is it called? The mother song?
Aisa Kyun Maa.
Aisa Kyun Maa. And then there's a love song which will be launching very soon. So there are 4 songs, and they're all situational, they're all inspirational, and there is obviously no lip sync in this film, but it adds to the performance. Filmmaking is a collaboration, it's a collaborative process, and I don't think anything separately works, and music is such an integral part of it. And especially in a film like Neerja, the music has to be really like delicate and beautiful and add to the film. And I think Vishal has done an amazing job with that. So and they are all written so beautifully, and that's all Prasoon sir. I mean, he's the person who wrote Masak Ali for me. Like I said inside, it made me world famous in India. I'm using Atul's lines, and it made me Sonam Kapoor. And it was a story. It was a song about freedom, and I think over here he knows how to write for young people. I feel he understands the voice of young people. So where Masak Ali was about freedom of a young person in India, for me, Aankhein Milayengi Dar Se is the voice of what I think the youth in India are feeling right now. That we don't want to be scared anymore. We want to face everybody and everything and have an opinion like we do on everything. So I think he gets the pulse, and he is, I think, one of the most important poets of our time right now. So I'm very, very excited that Prasoon sir has done 3 of my films. Yay!
The music for this film is very simple and very heartfelt, and I think it's because of the inspiring lyrics of Prasoon sir that it adds that real emotion or whatever. And the film is very genuine and very raw and very honest, and the performance of Sonam especially is like mind blowing.
Okay, you're not supposed to say that.
Yeah, I know, but that was the real inspiration.
I keep saying that this film is about the youth for the youth. She was 23 years old, and if you see the energy in that song, it's the pulse of what we're feeling, and that drum in our heart to kind of work, do something. So I think it's like it's Ram's. He's using his advertising, and he's using it for our film to say that this is the essence of the song. We can't tell you what the story is about, but this is what we're trying to say with the film. मैं actually honestly अभी दिखाई नहीं देता, but I was a very shy person. मैं बहुत ही shy थी. I'm not very good at public speaking. मुझे स्टेज फ्राइट बहुत है. एक्चुअली 8 साल पहले मैंने एक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, और उसके बाद आई हैव नेवर परफॉर्म्ड ऑन स्टेज टिल आई डिड Stardust or something. I did in Stardust I danced again after 8 years, and that's only because I did Neerja. And I realized that it's a small thing. It's going up on stage and facing people and performing or dancing or talking on stage. I don't know if you've never heard me host a show or danced on stage or any of those things. And only because I did Neerja, I realized, यार मैं कौन हूँ यार, मैंने क्या किया life में. This girl faced fear and she saved life, and she realized she was fearful for her life and she still did it. What am I fearful for? कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? And I think that's everybody's biggest fear. अब मैंने एक campaign किया है, Fear versus Neerja, और I'm telling you 90% of the people who have been tagging me and tagging Fear versus Neerja are all afraid to be themselves and are afraid of लोग क्या कहेंगे. And I think that's all our fear right now, and so that was my biggest fear. लोग क्या कहेंगे.
विशाल खुराना बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और यंग, और बहुत सबसे अच्छी बात विशाल खुराना की जो मुझे लगती है वो ये कि उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस है पर एरोगेंस नहीं है. क्योंकि क्या होता है, यंग एज में बहुत कम परवाह करते हैं लोग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़ की, और मुझे लगता है कि इनकी सबसे अच्छी खासियत यह है कि ये सुनते हैं और उस पर अमल करते हैं. ही इज़ नॉट जस्ट arrogant or talented. He listens to you, and he also ready to make changes, accept other people's suggestions, and I think that's a very good thing about him, and that will take him a long way.
See, the attempt is to try and be as real as possible. So the plane was built with full reality. The kitchen was working, the bathrooms were working, everybody went through workshops, and everybody actually gave their heart and soul to it. Everybody's given 200% to it. It was very difficult, but at the same time, it was very easy because there was a whole team of people who were there behind me and with me, who were following what our responsibility is, our responsibility to the passengers, responsibility to what actually happened that day. So there is a lady here who's wearing a t-shirt which is very important, which says, be humble, be loving, be gentle, be patient. That is what Vishal Khurana is also.